So we heat the oil. And then we add the mustard, the cumin seeds and the curry leaves, and I put 1 red chili pepper. It's the dry version of it. I have garlic and chilies, green chilies here. So after that is cooked a little bit, you can add the onions. Adding the onions is just half an onion for me, so that's about half a cup probably. Fry the onions and all the other ingredients in here until the onion reaches very light golden brown color. We'll add a little bit of salt to get the onion to saute quick. Okay, so once you see the onions are sauteed or light brown, you just add the cabbage. So I've got a little bit of, I bought a large cabbage, so this is about 1/4 of it, approximately about 4.5–5 cups. This will minimize in the amount once it cooks. So we can add the yellow powder that gives you the yellow color into the cabbage thoran, and a little bit of the coconut. And just incorporate it, and when you stir this, it actually will reduce in the amount that it is, so you can add the rest of the cabbage after to that. All of the coconut powder. This is dried grated coconut. We can use fresh coconut as well. Okay. And all of the cabbages in here. Okay, we're just going to close this and keep it tightly closed so the steam will get in and just reduce the size. Put it on medium heat so it just cooks nicely. Okay, so I've stirred this a couple of times already, and it's been cooking for about 10 minutes. That should be good enough for the most part. So the cabbage should look cooked but not too cooked, because we can close it and then it'll take up this, it'll still keep cooking once you just close it and keep for a bit. So it's not crunchy, but it's still fresh looking. So I'll just take some out to show you. There you go. Cabbage Thoran is ready.